Wake up, sleepyhead. Oh, Dad, why did you wake me up so early? Today is the play at the theater. Really? It's going to be here? Hooray! Hooray! Yeah! Oh, Dad, thank you for waking me up. Miss Lily told us to wake up early because today is the play called The Dragon and the Flower Princesses. So, I have to hurry. I don't want to be late. Come on, Henry. You're coming too. Angelina, you're Rose. Okay. Alice, you're Violet. Okay. Yes. Flora, you're Buttercup. Felicity, you are Bluebell. And Kennedy, you're Daisy. Oh, I can't wait to see this play. And Henry is the dragon. Yes, I can't wait. But Angelina, you have the hiccups. Oh yes, I do. You must go. Oh. Come on, Alice, you can do this. But what if I don't know the moves? You can do it. I know you can. Oh yes, now I'm not so scared. I'm glad you're not scared. We'll see you later. Okay. Mom, I have the hiccups. How about a spoonful of sugar? Okay. That didn't work. How will my hiccups be gone? You'll see. Miss Lily, I still have the hiccups. Blow in a paper bag. Okay. Oh, it's not working. I'm still hiccuping. What if I have that forever and ever and ever and ever and ever and ever and ever? Angelina, calm down. Okay. One morning, the flower princess is dancing in the garden. How can I be a hiccuping ballerina? Hurry up, Angelina. It's the next line. Okay, thanks, Felicity. In the line, I'm Bluebell. Okay. And then they start twirling and twirling. And then a scary dragon roars at the flower princesses. Roar! Ah! My hiccups are gone. Listen. Yay, my hiccups are gone. Thank you, Henry. You're a genius. Thank you so much. And then the flower princesses are so scared, they leap away. The flower princesses leap everywhere. Yay! Woohoo! Yay! Yes, I'm glad that Henry cured my hiccups. That's what cousins are for.